string of lights cupcakes. We're gonna start out by making the colored light bulbs. I'm gonna use this light bulb template as a tracing guide underneath some parchment paper. We're gonna focus on one colored light bulb at a time. So first I'm gonna grab the red and put this in the microwave for about 1 minute until it's nice and smooth. Then I'm gonna transfer it to a piping bag and carefully pipe around the outlines of the template and fill it in. Then grab a toothpick or a scribe tool and just smooth it out. Once all the colors are finished, we're gonna fill in the bottom part of the light bulb with light brown melting chips. Then we'll use white to create a nice highlight on each bulb. Finally, with light brown, let's add a little bit more 3D texture to the bottom. And now we'll put the whole tray into the freezer to set. Now let's get our buttercream ready. So I'm just gonna scoop out a tiny bit of white into the other bowl, and I'm gonna use black gel food coloring to color it. The white buttercream doesn't need any coloring, but it does need a good stir to get the air bubbles out. Now let's grab our cupcakes and get to decorating. We're gonna pipe large dollops of white buttercream onto each one. Then dip it into the sugar crystals and roll it around until it's nice and fully coated. Once all the cupcakes are done, we're gonna arrange them on our plate in sort of a wavy formation, and they should all be touching each other. And then take your black buttercream and pipe a squiggly, loopy line from one cupcake to the next. That's gonna be the string for the lights. Now let's put the finishing touch on our light bulbs, and that's gonna be our edible gold luster dust. We're just gonna brush it onto the bottom to give it that nice metallic look. Last but not least, let's place the light bulbs onto each cupcake so it looks like it's a continuous string of lights. I hope this got you into the holiday spirit. Happy holidays!